What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at something I have been looking for quite a while, the Hot Wheels Formula One 5-pack. I found this at a store called Kick here in Germany, which is basically selling pretty cheap clothing, and normally they don't have the latest Hot Wheels stuff. I don't know why they got this, but whatever, I'm pretty happy that I found this set. So we have seen single packs so far. We have seen the Oracle Red Bull race car, which is this one here. I put it on the turntable, and we have seen the Williams race car. So here they are. So basically, it's always the same casting. We just get different liveries and different deco and different wheels, or let's say different wheel colors or rim colors. But I think these are pretty cool. And the thing is, in my opinion, I can't tell you how it is in other parts of the world, but here these are pretty hard to find, and I think there aren't many of these in the cases. And I have to say, I don't really get it, because I guess many collectors want to have these models. So yeah, but it is how it is. Let's put these two guys to the side, and let's take a look at our 5-pack. I already cut this thing open, and let's slide the models out. I have to say, I'm not really up to date with Formula One. You know, I grew up when Formula One was in free TV, but you know, nowadays you have to get different subscriptions and apps and whatever, and I don't really follow the season. So here we have the McLaren car, which comes in kind of a flat black livery with some typical orange deco and orange rims. This one looks pretty nice. On the base, I think they are basically all saying the same, so you can't see here that it's McLaren team. I can't read the production date. I'm not really sure if they all have the same production date, but whatever. So yeah, here's our McLaren. As you can see, we got a driver in the seat, or let's say, at least we see the head. And our next one is this guy here, which has basically the same flat black livery. This is the Alpine F1 team. Comes with these glossy blue wheels and some sponsor logos. I have to say, these do look really good, pretty crisp, really nice. Into the parking lot it goes. So this is the Visa Red Bull team. I don't know. This one, yeah, it's definitely not the same color as the other Red Bull car. Different glossy blue livery, and yeah, we can see the Red Bull logo, Honda there on the back. This one comes with nice shiny red rims and all this sponsor stuff here at the nose. Tudor, also Visa. Yeah, I have to say these are pretty nice. This one here is the Kick Sauber car. So as you can see, this one also comes in black, but with a glossy livery and these neon green deco parts. Green rims. This is the nose. Yeah, pretty nice. And our last one is the Haas Formula One team. Glossy black livery, and yeah, Also some deco and white rims. So let's put this thing to the side and let's put all our Formula One cars. Let's bring them together. So here's the thing, what are we missing? So we are missing the Mercedes car. And I think that one, as far as I know, is definitely coming in a single pack. And then there are still two cars missing. I think it's Aston Martin and Ferrari. I'm pretty sure that, yeah, these will also come out. And yeah, there we go. I mean, you know, normally I always pick a favorite. And yeah, from this 5-pack, I think it's this one here. I think the neon green looks pretty cool on this glossy black. Yeah, there we go. Quick video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.